Joining me backstage at the Digital Transformation World Keynotes is Nik Willetts, CEO of TM Forum. Nik, you've just come backstage from delivering your keynote to the industry in 2018. What was the message that you gave?
My message this week was about how we drive collaboration in our industry. We believe that collaboration is crucial to an open digital world where our companies, our member companies can collaborate and can work together. This industry will only be able to thrive in the open digital marketplace if we can federate our capabilities, provide a common intelligent edge to our industry, and provide an environment in which we can really work together. The TM Forum's members are coming together in our forum to make that happen.
What's been the reason for the pivot of the TM Forum from being traditionally the OSS BSS standards body into being this highly focused enabler and supporter of digital transformation?
So the role of IT is changing in every company around the world. We see the role of the CIO expanding and the expectations of IT teams changing. In the telco market, that's been a profound shift, going from being managed as a cost center, where we're managing within perhaps 5% of OPEX, to saying what impact can we have on the 95% of the business that IT actually serves? And we have to think about how we make that pivot. So we've got to talk about the whole transformation as IT moves center stage, because in a digital business, you're a software business, IT is at the core of that. So the pivot for us is about more than just saying, let's talk about the technology, let's talk about everything required to make that transformation happen, still with a strong focus on putting the right technology in place, the right standards, the right collaboration with open source, but also putting in place the right capabilities to work together with the business and to really harmonise what's traditionally been two separate organisations in our member companies.
And are you already taking concrete steps to help your members with this transformation?
Absolutely. Last year we launched our digital maturity model, and here this morning we just announced our first two consulting certified partners to help make that happen. These companies taking that model and committing to an open model that can be used and continuously enhanced through collaboration across the industry. We're also putting in place concrete programs with open standards that will be the underpinnings of that open digital world. Our Open API program, now used in over 60 countries around the world by over 700 companies, over 5,000 developers, and today we have over 50 different APIs that are being used, and they form an integral part of the IT architecture and decisions that are being made in procurement and ways of doing business. And we're going beyond that into an open digital architecture that provides the framework for the technology and the business to help make that happen. And as we've announced here this morning, the formation of our new open digital labs, which will help provide continuous innovation into the market, where we can actually drive continuous innovation through virtual environments provided by vendors into our Catalyst proof of concept program, but also into new areas and physical test beds, starting with the University of Bristol in the UK.
Terrific. And you've mentioned several times open, and this industry shift towards open and embracing open networking. This is obviously very important for telcos. Is this what's going to drive them from becoming CSPs into not just digital service providers, but also the digital enabler for other vertical industries?
Absolutely. We think of that as being a digital partner. So the mindset shift that has to go on is one from saying, I provide you with a service, which is connectivity, saying actually I can be something more than that. I can provide you with a suite of capabilities. Every enterprise and every industry is going through its own digital transformation. Most of them don't have the rich heritage or capabilities that the telco world has. But today we're only really offering a small fraction of that value just in connectivity. We think about security capabilities, we think about the intelligent edge that we can provide. We can be at the center as a digital partner of helping those services to come along and helping them to be delivered. So there's so much value to be unlocked. It has a huge societal impact, and frankly for our industry it's going to be a lot more fun.
Nik, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.